Hi, this is Handy Doctor. Well, we love our dishwasher, but there is a maintenance that you absolutely need to do. Otherwise, the dishes coming out of your dishwasher will not be clean after a while, and it's not healthy, and you could lose a lot of money. I'm serious. There is a story I will tell you later in the video that somebody actually lost about $1,000 because she had to get a new dishwasher simply because she did not do the proper maintenance. What is that? Well, you look at this, there is a mesh. This is like a filter, and there is a cup out here. Of course, different dishwasher will have different design, but to take it out are all very similar, and they usually have simple instruction mark on the cup. So you see, lock in that direction, unlock in that direction. So we are going to unlock it, and then we're going to take it out. And you see, now, you see out here, I usually clean this one after every wash, but to make a point, I decided not to clean it for 3 washes, and you see this is very dirty. And I know a lot of people don't even wash them like 10, 20, or ever. Well, that would be very nasty, and really quickly, the washing quality of your dishwasher will be horrible, and you thought your dishwasher broke, and you will waste money on that one. Now, before I show you how to clean this, let me tell you another thing. We will clean this one in the sink, obviously, and it's super simple. Look at the holes on the spray arm, and if there is anything inside, use a toothpick and pick them up. Now, obviously, you could take the spray arm out and clean it that way, but for this dishwasher, there are 2 screws, one this side, one on that side, mount the spray arm onto it, so I usually don't do that. And honestly, as long as I clean the cup and the filter, it usually is really clean anyway, so I don't really need to do that. But just in case, okay, if you need to do it, then use a toothpick and just pick it up. Of course, dishwasher also have a upper spray arm. Let me change the angle of my camera a little bit. So this is the upper spray arm. Now for this one, all model, you can turn it and then take it up, okay? And the same way, look at the holes, both sides by the way, okay? Yeah, sometimes there are holes on this side, and there's one out here, if you can see that. Okay, so both sides, make sure you clean all the holes with toothpick. This one actually look very clean, so there's nothing you need to do. And after you finish that, of course, just simply put it back, okay? Yep, just that's it. So let me show you how to clean the filter in the sink. Okay, now here is the filter, and again I'm just going to show you that. Now oil, leaves, etc. Pretty nasty already, and like I told you, this just a few washes without cleaning. I usually clean it every time, by the way. So simple, just get some water, and if you do clean it often enough, using your hand should be good enough. You can get a little bit of dishwashing soap, but you honestly don't really need that, okay? In this case, then just rinse it. It's good. So now you see it's shiny and clean. Just think about it. All those nasty stuff in your dishwasher, and you use it to wash your dishes. Doesn't feel good at all. And honestly, like I said, if you don't clean it regularly, it will get worse and worse, and eventually you thought your dishwasher broke. And this is exactly what happened to this very dishwasher. I got it for free from a co-worker of a friend. She unfortunately probably never cleaned these ones, and eventually the dishwasher doesn't do a good job anymore, so she called a professional, and the professional came in and make it even worse. He replaced some part but forget to put a seal back into it, and the dishwasher obviously totally did not work. and he just totaled it. So she lost $1,000 on that one. I actually have another video telling you this story in detail and how to fix that problem, by the way. I will put the link to the video in the description of this video, so make sure you go look at it. Hopefully that never happened to you, but to prevent that from happening, make sure you clean this one on regular basis. Like I said, I do it every day actually. Okay, so look, now it looks a lot nicer. This will make your dishwasher happy and your dishes will always be clean. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you think this video is helpful for you, especially you have problem with dirty dishes recently, please make sure you like this video, or even better, subscribe to my channel. Look, this is the only thing I asked for, and this is super important for me to grow my channel. So please do it. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.